What is root? What is its advantages and disadvantages? Hello guys, I am Tejas Shinde from BSc Computer Science student from Gupte Zogulekar College Ratnagiri. In this video I am going to talk about root and its advantages and disadvantages. Rooting is the process of unlocking your phone's operating system. It gives you administrator or super user access, meaning that you can change to your OS, including those that phone manufacturers and carriers usually forbid. Rooting is often performed with the goal of overcoming limitations that carriers and hardware manufacturers put on some devices. Thus, rooting device the permission to alter or replace system applications and settings, run specialized applications that require administrator level permission, or perform other operations that are otherwise inaccessible to a normal Android user. Let's talk about advantages of root. Advantages of root include the possibility for complete controls over the appearance, feel, and behavior of the device. As a super user has access to the device system files, all aspects of the operating system can be customized. Our first advantage is UI customization. In that case, we get support for theming, allowing everything to be visual change from the color and type of the battery status indicator to the boot animation that appears while the device is booting up, the status bar, control menu, virtual on-screen navigation buttons, and much more. You can adjust your device display saturation by using Saturation app available on Play Store. It's required root. In this video, I am adjusting my device saturation with this app. You can clearly recognize difference between before and after change. Boot animation is the part of UI customization. Boot animation that appears while the device is booting up. You can flash various boot animations through your phone's custom recovery. Here I have flashed some boot animations which are available for my device. First one is live boot animation, which is available for all rooted device. Second one is OnePlus Cyberpunk 2077 edition, and third one is Google Phone's boot animations for Pixel Experience Room. And last one is Cyanogen mode, which is one of the most famous boot animations for Android devices. Our second or very useful advantage for hardcore device user and gamers also. Underclocking and overclocking our device CPU and GPU by using kernel manager applications like Francisco SmartPack or Performance Tweaker. CPU and GPU works with its fixed minimum clock speed frequency and maximum clock speed frequency. In this video, I am going to show how to overclock our device. I am using Francisco Kernel Manager app on Galaxy A50. My device processor Exynos 9610, which is clocked on 2.31 GHz maximum frequency. I am going to set maximum frequency as minimum. Also changing governor profiles of CPU to performance. After this setting, you will get best performance for gaming and heavy tasking without any lag or performance drop. Here are some drawbacks of underclocking or overclocking. If you underclock your frequency of CPU and GPU, then you will get better battery backup, but also feels lag, performance drop due to underclocking. In opposite side, if you overclock your device, you will get maximum, we can say top performance of your device hardware, zero lag, but overclocking means full power of CPU, GPU, more power requirement, hence you will get minimum battery backup. Let's go with our next advantage for root user, which is UI customization. You can flash custom ROM through your phone's custom recovery. Also with this ROM, you can upgrade or downgrade your Android version. This video is of Android 12 beta version with two custom ROMs, Lineage OS and Cyanogen OS. Our fourth advantage is font changer. You can change your device fonts with rooted apps, also flashing Font Manager Magisk module with Magisk Manager. I am showing on my device how to flash Magisk module with Magisk Manager. In this video, two parts of screen At left part is showing installation process as well as right part is showing after installation how to get more fonts in your display setting. When module installation is done, then you have to reboot your device once. After that you will get more fonts in your device display setting. This module available for all rooted devices. Our last advantage in this video is System App Remover. You can uninstall your phone's bloatwares, means useless apps. These apps consume our device RAM like radio, company apps, Google apps also. Using System App Remover application, which is available on Play Store, you can uninstall app of your device with this app. Yes, this application requires super user access. Let's go with disadvantages of root. As I know, there are 3 disadvantages of root. First one is warranty dead, second one is device hard brick, third one is unable to get company software updates. Let's check out these disadvantages sequentially. These disadvantages comes when you unlock your phone's bootloader. For rooting, you have to unlock your device bootloader. If you unlock your device bootloader, then your phone's warranty dead immediately. For super user access, means root or device customization, you have to flash many files according to your device through custom recovery. If you flash wrong files like vendor, firmware, kernel, DTBO image files, wrong ROMs, then your phones get hard brick, means dead. Root means you are making change with your device system files, hence you won't get any company software update. At latest update of Magisk Manager 23.0, according to latest Google security update, you can't access banking apps in your rooted device due to safety net fails. I have 2 solutions for this problem. If you want, then comment on my video. I will make a video for this problem solution. Thanks for watching my video. If you like, then please hit like button. If you feel this is informative, then share and also do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.